Want to earn a stress-free income online in just a few minutes a day without selling, customer service, or tech headaches? Then you need to hear about the 7-Minute Wi-Fi Blueprint. This simple system is helping complete beginners build real online income streams, and it could be exactly what you've been looking for. Check out the link in the description and the first pinned comment to grab instant access while it's still discounted. Just $67 instead of the regular $99. What is it? 7-Minute Wi-Fi Blueprint. So what exactly is the 7-Minute Wi-Fi Blueprint? It's a beginner-friendly, step-by-step digital training program designed to help you start making money online with just a few spare minutes a day. You don't need any experience, no tech skills, no selling. You don't even have to talk to customers. It's built for total beginners using smart tools, done-for-you templates, and a super clear 10-day launch plan. Who's it for? This is perfect for busy mums, side hustlers, retirees, students, really, anyone who wants a realistic, low-risk way to start earning online. You can do it on your phone or laptop, work from anywhere, and grow it at your own pace. The steps are quick, clear, and repeatable. If you can follow directions and spare 7 to 10 minutes a day, you're golden. What you get. When you join, here's what you'll get. A 10-day action plan that walks you through everything step by step. Smart automation tools that do 80% of the work. Zero selling, no outreach, no complicated tech. Templates that are plug-and-play 24/7 access from your phone or computer. And yes, you get instant digital access right after you sign up. No waiting around, real people, real results. Still wondering if it really works? Just listen to what real users are saying. Perfect for beginners. I had zero experience and started seeing results in the first week. Exactly what I needed as a busy mom, fits perfectly into my routine. No fluff, no pressure, just honest, simple guidance that works. These are real reviews from everyday people. No gurus, no gimmicks. Pros and cons. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons. Beginner-friendly. No selling or customer service. Takes just minutes a day. Works on any device, low cost, high value. 60-day money-back guarantee. One downside, it's not some magic get-rich-quick scheme. You actually have to follow the steps. But if you can stay consistent, it works. Final thoughts. So if you're tired of hype and want something that actually makes sense, something realistic and achievable, the 7-Minute Wi-Fi Blueprint might be your next best move. Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment to claim your discounted price today. You get instant access, smart tools, and total peace of mind with the 60-day refund.